Good morning, children. Now we are entering into the second unit of your English. See, this is a story about your state. Sorry, our state. Because I am also one of the member in Telangana state. Generally, when we talk about our birthplaces, we will say first about our birthplace, our villages. Second, it will come to that mandal. After that, it will come to that district. After that, it comes to that state. So we all belongs to Telangana state. It's necessary to us to know more about how this state it formed and what the speciality of this state. Actually, Telangana state it formed in the year of 2014, June 2nd. Okay, after struggle of a lot of people, not simply it formed. The union government, it means it declared the Telangana state as the 29th state that in 2014 year. But behind of that, a lot of struggle is there. For the separation of, actually, Telangana, these people and Andhra Pradesh, that people, both will speak same in Telugu. Once the central government it divided India into different states according to its language. Which state, what the language they will speak, according to that it was divided. States are divided. When the states are divided, first we are in Mysore state. After that we came into Andhra. Andhra it became into Andhra Pradesh. Now Andhra Pradesh divided into two, it became as Telangana. When we formed as Andhra Pradesh, Andhra state, at that time, again this Telangana people they fought for themselves a separate state. It started in the year of 1969, the year. 1969, the struggle it started, but some of the reasons it stopped. Again, we people, we started for our separate event. At the time also, somewhere in some of the corner, there was a movement about the separate state, but especially, officially, again, we started this Telangana movement in the year of 2009. And we got the success and our dreams they came into true that all it becomes in the year of 2014, June 2nd. Okay, what the need to form separate states for the Telangana people? Main reason and the main thing that our culture we lost when we ruled combinedly as Andhra Pradesh, when we ruled, including Andhra and Telangana both when we ruled, we lost our culture. They not give any importance to our culture, our language. And with that, some more other reasons also there. Water, it's not a supply, means it not give importance to the Telangana people properly. Employment was not given perfect and correct importance to this Telangana people. And their culture, their festivals, their language, everything it neglected by the rulers. Because of that negligency, these people they want a new state. So we fought for that new state and we formed our state. Now we want to know the importance of state because we ourselves we fought for that. Without knowing, it's waste. So here we are going to discuss few of the things about our state. Actually, this lesson it is a conversation between a family members. Hari is the father, Kiran is the son, and Lakshmi is the mother. They are discussing. One day father is reading the newspaper in that he came to know that union government it declared the 29th state. At the time his son asked the importance of the new formed state. At the time he said it's a good means good sign to us. It's a good news for us that now we can save our culture. we can forward our culture, and whichever the religions are there to us, everything we can carry forward. That the father said. Then the son asked one doubt. Actually, really, one doubt is there that Telangana and Andhra, both people they will speak in Telugu itself. What the difference? If you see, actually, we people, we miss Farma Mahabubnagar district people, their language comparing to the Karimnagar and Warangal, totally different. That people, they have smart miss. They have somehow some long words, but we have the short. Our language it is mixed with this Rayalaseema. Because of that, when we compare, as we are also Telangana people, but in this Telangana, again if we compare with that Karimnagar and Warangal, other district, our language is little bit different. Even if we go to Hyderabad, their language and our language also it shows the difference. And mostly, this Telangana part, it was ruled by Nawabs. Because of that, we have the influence of Hindi, Urdu most. So, in Hyderabad, most of the people, they will speak in Hindi. So many effects are there, and hence we have to overcome that all the effects. And because of that, we need some separate state. For that, we form this state. So, whenever we form the state, behind of that formation, there is a great sacrifice of a lot of people. 1969 to 2009, a lot of people they sacrificed their lives for the betterment of our lives. So it's our duty. We want to show our respect towards them. We want to give our respect to them. So we want to remember them always, because of their efforts we got this freedom. Actually, we can't say that freedom. We got because we got freedom in 1947 itself. Again, we got the freedom in the year of 2009. Because this freedom, it's for us, for our culture. To save our culture, we got the freedom here. So we should want to recall and we should want to remember them. Here we will reach our vision. It came to true when this state it formed, and we want to one word is there here. Revive means we want to forward it. We want to carry forward it, and we want to give rebirth to our language, our culture. Actually, revive means we want to recall. We want to give rebirth to it. It's very important to us. And Telangana is famous for a lot of things. Telangana is famous for so many of the festivals. That all festivals, when we are including in Andhra Pradesh, they are not recognized. But now they became world famous festivals. In that first state festival, it is Bonalu. Bonalu is a festival that even we people celebrate in different places, different months. Telugu months are there. Ashadam and Shravanam. Some of the goddess, they will offer Bonalu in the Ashadam, and the goddess, they will offer Bonalu in Shravana Masam also. So, Bonalu, what the speciality? Actually, the offering of goddess Kali. In the form of that, they celebrate Bonalu is a festival. On this day, all the women folk, they decorate, means they wear new dresses, and they decorate themselves as beautifully. And mothers, actually women folk, they cook food with jaggery and milk. They keep that all the jaggery, mixing of jaggery milk, that rice which is that rice they fill with gattam. Gattam is a pot, mud pot. It decorated very beautifully. Really, some of the time if we see in the procession, when they are going, it looks very beautiful. So, in the form of a group, in the procession, they will go to the Kali temple, and there they will offer. That is Bonalu. And one more and very for these Telangana people, that is Dasara. Dasara means we all remember one thing, that Bathukamma. Actually, previously, before 2009, we don't know majorly about that Bathukamma. When this 2009 the movement started, slow by slow, this Bathukamma festival came into famous. Up to that, Bathukamma festival is there for the Telangana people. But we not celebrated properly and perfectly, because most of them, they unknown about that. Even as the Telangana people, the reason that the rulers who ruled us previously, they not give importance to that Bathukamma. But now we are ruling ourselves, so we know very well about Bathukamma. Bathukamma is a flower festival. It's another beautiful festival. We will worship the environment. Note here the word is actually environment we have to worship. We will miss the women folk here again. Importance of the women folk. Women folk, what they will do? They collect some of the flowers. In that, most important flowers are, one is Tangedu, second one is Gunugu. Gunugu flower, it is in white color and it's a long flower. Tangedu, it's in yellow color, and one is the Chamanti. Not only these three, lot of beautiful flowers they will collect, and they will form that flowers in a row. It will come as a small hill. On the top of the hill, they will keep goddess Gauri. With they will prepare it and they will keep, and they will carry on their heads. At the main center of the street or main center of the town, they will keep all that Bathukammas, and moving round that Bathukammas, they will sing the songs. That's a beautiful festival which we celebrate in our Telangana. So here we can understand what the need of forming the separate Telangana, because 2009, before 2009, we didn't see how now we are celebrating this Bathukamma festival. This much of level it is not there before the 2009. That it can show that the importance of formation of Telangana, because if it is not formed, then maybe we lost our culture there. Not only that, one more great festival is there. There is no religious difference between the people. All Hindus and Muslims, everyone they are ready to celebrate. That the festival is Peerla Pandaga. You know, I think you'll enjoy the Peerla Pandaga very well, I think. Peerla Pandaga is a festival that all the religion people, they like very much. So here, Peerla Pandaga, what they will do on that festival, Peerlu, they will miss in the center of the village, there is a Chavadi they will call, actually it's mass, that Chavadi, in that they will keep Peerlu for some days, and after the completion, means when the festival is going to completion, at the time they immerse that Peerlu into the local tanks. Same the Bathukamma also same. 9 days they will play the Bathukamma and they immerse every day's Bathukamma into the local pond. The same way Peerlu also. These are the festivals. Now these are the festivals. Especially Bathukamma is a festival. It became world famous. Because the government of Telangana, it gave the importance to its festivals. So now worldwide, all the people, they know the importance of our festivals. Because we separated. Not only the festivals, more important things are there for this Telangana. You know, Sixilla weavers. Sixilla weavers, they wear a saree which can fit a small matchbox. That much of intelligent and skillful weavers are there in Telangana. Gadwal, Narayanpet, Pochampalli, whichever the sarees comes from these places, these sarees are world famous sarees. Not only sarees, not only festivals, we have the toys, wooden toys. Nirmal. Nirmal is a place that Nirmal toys are world famous toys. See, these many specialities are there in our Telangana. And if we continue like this, we we want to know about Jatara. Jatara means Vanpatti people, we people, where will recall two Jataras mainly. One is the Rajanagaram Jatara, another one is near to Vanpatti. One Jatara will go Singotam Jatara, and near to Kurumurti Jatara is the another Jatara which we know very well. And here one more is the Srirangapuram. So many Jataras we people we celebrate. These are the Jataras which we know, and these are the small Jataras. But one big Jatara is there for our state, that is Medaram Jatara, Sammakka Sarakka Jatara. Sammakka Saralamma Jatara. It is Medaram. It's there in Varangal. Jampanna Vagu. In that they will take one of the dip and they offer jaggery to that goddesses and they celebrate very highly. Every 2 years, these Telangana people they celebrate that Jatara in a great way. That's the speciality. And that Jatara is a world famous Jatara now. The government it is spending lot of amount to develop and to expose the Jatara to all over the world. So it's going on in us. This is all our culture. And with this, most important tourist spots also there. I hope you saw here near to Jurala, Chandagiri Kota is one of the Chandagiri port. One of the port is there. And recently some of the news it came in the news channel about it. In that port one pond is there. Every season there are some water in that pond. It never dry up. What the means secret behind of that they don't know. But it is so such kind of it is all at near places. Now if we go to here Srirangapuram, that the temple, famous temple. So many are there surrounding to us these are. But if we search total Telangana, most important places are Nagarjuna Sagar. You know Nagarjuna Sagar, I think most of you visited at and if you go to Nagarjuna Sagar, we want to travel in a boat. If we travel nearly half an hour to 45 minutes, we will reach Nagarjuna Konda, where there is a museum. All important old things they kept in that museum. We can see them and we can enjoy that trip. Not only that, if we go to Hyderabad, Golconda, Charminar, so many spots are there. We can watch them. So that much of famous spots, tourist spots also we have. Not only this, with this our literature also very famous. See Bammera Potana. Bammera Potana is a person that he wrote Bhagavatam. Bammera Potana's Bhagavatam is famous. Kancharla Gopanna we call Ramadasu. See, if we go to Golconda Port, while we are visiting, that guide he will say, this is the jail where this Kancharla Gopanna, whom we are calling now Ramadasu, he kept into this jail. We can see some of the pictures when he stayed there, he painted there. That also we can see there. His kirtanas are very famous. Which were the songs he sang about that Lord Rama, that all songs are very famous. Not only that, with them, some more people are there. Maliganti Suri, Kaloji Narayana Rao, Dasharathy Rangacharyalu and Dasharathy Krishnamacharyalu are the jewels of Telangana literature. These many famous people are there in our literature. So it's important to us to know about them. And some more arts also there to Telangana. Oggu Katha, it is ancient one of the art. It belongs to Telangana itself. In this Oggu Katha, narrator and his chorus is there. They will, actually it's like a drama, but they will sing the song. And some of the instruments they will play. By playing the instruments, the narrator he will reveal the story of, generally they sang the stories of Mallamma, Mallanna and Beerappa, Yellamma. Mallanna, Beerappa, Yellamma. If we go to villages, if we go to Yadava's families in the villages, there one temple will appear. Beerappa temple, Mallanna temple they will call. They celebrate one of the festival at the time of Sankranti. That Beerappa, Mallamma and Yellamma, that God and goddess songs they will sing. They are only they will sing, they will act to them. By the action they will show. The chorus will support them. This is one of the art which is a famous, and it's our duty that we want to save that art, but we are missing that. Because we are habituated to see the films in the theatre, we are habituated to see the entertainment programs in the news, TV channels, but we are not interested to see whichever our previous ancient art is there. We are not interested to learn the ancient arts. We feel very shame to learn them. Even we feel shame to some of the time to see that what it is. It's boring. But that one, the great one, it's a world famous one. We people, we have that culture with us. We don't know the value of that. But the foreign people, they are eagerly waiting to see such kind of programs. One more is there. That is Perani Shivatandavam. This Perani Shivatandavam is performed by men folk. Man, he himself he performed. This Perani Shivatandavam was introduced by Kakatiyas. Kakatiya kings were there. That Kakatiya kings, they trained their soldiers this dance. This dance they used to offer before the wars. They want to pray Lord Shiva. To pray Lord Shiva, in front of that Lord Shiva, they performed this dance. By performing the dance, they want to call Lord Shiva to bless them. That much of importance. But how many of you know that Perani Shivatandavam? How many of you know that Oggu Katha? This Oggu Katha, it maximum in my life I saw when I am a kid. After that, it not appear anywhere. Some of the time I saw in the news channels, that's enough. Because that much we are neglecting our arts. That we are developing. We want to develop. But at the same time, we never want to lose our ancient arts, culture. And here, this actually, this Perani Shivatandavam again revived by one of the person. His name is Nataraja Ramakrishna. Nataraja Ramakrishna is a person. Again, he introduced this Perani Shivatandavam to us. When he introduced, up to that we also don't know it is there or not. He made it famous again in our Telangana state. That great person he is. And not only that, most important and most famous temples are there. The antiques, the art forms, the literature and our language contribute to our culture and heritage. This all they are showing our culture and heritage. So we are the lucky people. We want to, we have this much of treasures with us. So we want to thanks to our ancient people. They give such kind of treasure to us. Okay. So Telangana state we learned up to now. Telangana, we have high culture and heritage. We should want to follow that. We have a responsibility that we want to save that. In this lesson, after completion of the lesson, there was an exercise. Vocabulary is there. You have to follow that vocabulary and fill in the blanks after in that vocabulary. Grammar is there. And after the grammar, editing passage. This is your homework. After this video, you have to do that homework. I will say what are the linkers. You know what the linker generally. Now, linking between two people. For adding the two words, one more word we need. Whichever the word we need to add two words or two phrases, that word is called linker. Linker means nothing but conjunction also we can say. See here, linkers are words or phrases that we use to link one to another. For to link one to another, which were the words we will use, that words are called linkers. For example, I didn't watch this video because at the time I went away. I am not present in the house, because of that I didn't watch this video. I am linking the two sentences. Yes? The same way, it was rained heavily, so I stayed in the house. There is no choice for me to go out. Because of that, I stayed inside the house. The reason. One more also. It was raining. Because of that, I stayed at home. I stayed at home because it rained. That also we can say. And one more also. Ravi and Gopi went to the school. Both combinedly they went. I completed my homework, but I forgot to bring. So many times we said to the teacher to escape. It's a simple reason. Sir, I completed, but I forgot. Now, tomorrow I will bring, sir. So this we will use for that. Okay. So in the page number 24 and 25 editing, 24 this linkers actually give only explanation to you. So read textbook and do the homework and follow the dictionary. Reading the textbook, finding the new words, following the dictionary is very important. Try to speak some of the words with your parents. It will give you an opportunity to develop your English. English, it won't come. Spoken English, it won't come by teaching. By the practicing, it will come. If you practice, you can make as a good speaker in English. Okay? Stay home, stay safe.